Dear students of class 12, welcome to the online class. Dear students, how are you? Hope that you are fine. I am also fine. Dear students, I am Raghunath Bonik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today I will discuss the first lecture from the chapter 8 statistics first paper. Dear students, the name of the chapter is Published Statistics in Bangladesh. At first I will discuss what do you mean by published statistics in Bangladesh. Let's start our class. Dear students, what do you mean by statistics in Bangladesh? The statistics which are collect the data and published by different organization is called published statistics. Different kinds of information about different topics such as medicine and health, economics, education, etc. are collected and published in statistics also. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear students, now we will discuss the source of the published statistics in Bangladesh. The statistical information or statistics can be classified into three classes on the basis of sources. They are official statistics, semi-official statistics, and non-official statistics. Now we will discuss the three kinds of source of statistics. Dear students, the first published statistics in Bangladesh is official statistics. Now we will discuss the definition of the official statistics. The statistics which are collected, compiled and published by different governmental institutions such as Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics or by any ministry is called official statistics. As for example, health ministry, education ministry and planning ministry, food etc. These institutions published different information in the form of bulletin about different subjects such as agriculture, food, health, census and many others. Okay, dear students, I have understand the what do you mean by official statistics. Dear students, now we will discuss the semi-official statistics. What do you mean by semi-official statistics? The statistics which are collected, compiled and published by self-governed or semi-official institution are called semi-official statistics. This kind of statistics contain information concerned with the activities of that institution. As for example, Bangladesh, the annual report published by Bangladesh Rice Research Institute. Another, the university, any kinds of report published this institute. Okay, dear students, now we will discuss the non-official statistics. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear students, now we will discuss the non-official statistics. The statistics that are published by any non-government or non-official institution such as Center for Policy Dialogue, or that means CPD, NGO, as for example BRAC, Roshika, Chamber of Commerce, Stock Exchange, different kinds of bank, international association such as UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, that means World Health Organization, or any kind of research center is called non-government or non-official statistics. Okay, dear students, now we will discuss the different sources of official statistics. Okay, dear students, now we will discuss the source of official statistics. There are many kinds of sources of official statistics. We can discuss now. The source of official statistics published in Bangladesh are described below. Number 1, Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics, shortcut name BBS. Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics is the main source of official statistics in Bangladesh. Okay, dear students. Dear students, the institution collects, compiles and publishes information about census, country's education, health, industry, commerce, agriculture and so many things. Not only the information collected by them are published, but also the information collected by other are published. Besides, these institution coordinates other sources with the official statistics of the country. Okay, dear students. Dear students, Bangladesh publishers their collected information in the form of bulletin or weekly, monthly, quarterly or yearly journal. Some published report of BBS are given below, such as Weekly Information Service, Monthly Statistical Bulletin of Bangladesh, Economic Indication for Bangladesh, Quarterly, Statistical Yearbook of Bangladesh, the Yearbook of Agricultural Statistics of Bangladesh. Another, we can write another statistical pocketbook. Statistical pocketbook. Another is National Volume of Population Census. National Volume of Population Census. Population Census. Another is only for population census. Etc. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the basic concept of the published statistics in Bangladesh, such as what do you mean by published statistics in Bangladesh, source of published statistics, kinds of published statistics. If you face any problem, dear students, you watch the video again and again, and no more today. Thanks to all. Goodbye.